afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with a Simpler Stocks free video for January 25th, 2017. It's right now January 24th, about 5 minutes before the after the close. Just had a really nice session on the gold room. The gold room is actually something in addition to our silver room. Gold room is more expensive, but I'm on a lot more during the day, and you also get a 3-hour trade that close the third Friday of the month, which is pretty exciting in there. So today, what happened in the market? ES is up 13 in here. Did fantastic in here. In fact, I'm going to take off the bid and ask so you don't get all distracted in here. There we go. Much easier to see. ES is up 12.75. NASDAQ up 32. Russell up 19. Russell had a great day in here. Little sell-off on the close, but still up $20 in here. Yeah, the bonds down 104. What happened again? Don't laugh. We've talked about this every day. Dollar rallies, even if it rallied a teeny bit. Transport's up 150. Russell up 19. Bonds down 1. People perceiving a higher economic activity. They took the U.S. Steel's up and so on. U.S. Steel's up. The Caterpillar's up. The Russell up. The Industrial's up. The Transport's up. And gold down. It's just a broken record in here. Fascinating on how that works. The other tip-off in here was the advanced decline. That even when we had a little blip this morning, and if you go to the ES, it's just on the opening in here, that little blip at 10:30, the advanced decline went even higher. And that was a tip-off that we were going to continue up all day. VIX down 72 in here. Really getting pounded in here down to its lower level. And the VIX futures down 57 in here. So just keep that in mind. So what I'm seeing in here, what do we think of the overall market? Number one, it looks to me like everybody was keen off the Russell. They were also keen off this. Sometimes we make things harder than they have to be. This might be a bear wedge, but right now people are focusing on this little bull flag. Thank goodness I pointed that out to everybody. If that works, we could go up to 2290. But there are two ways to measure a bull flag, at least in my opinion. One of them is the width within the flag, and one is by the previous move. So the first objective is always this. That came out to about 17 points. Gets you to about 2280 to 2284. We basically did that. The second objective is like this on the left. Right there to right there. And then where it broke right here to right there. That gets you to about 2290. Now, I'm not saying we're going there. We have a lot of big earnings coming out this week. But that's what I see at least so far. So just keep that in mind. So what I'm going to be watching are the same tells as yesterday. The Russell, the transports, the NASDAQ, and some foreign indexes. So just to let you know, we still have the $7 30-day trial, and that includes the chat room, where I'm on from 9 to 10 in the morning. Like I said, the gold room I'm on from 3 to 4, 3 times a week in addition to that. And at those last hour, we've been actually making a lot of money doing a lot of earnings trades. We had the premium video, a lot more in depth than what you're hearing now. And the email alerts, I'm very proud of those. Every day I put out at least 6 stock ideas and 6 index charts. The idea is the indexes lead the market. You have to have an overall market perspective before you could even think of trading individual stocks. So every day I post at least 6 index and futures charts and then 6 stock trades or chart ideas. A lot of these in the last couple of days have worked really well. The other thing that we have in here is the forum, where it's a message board kind of way to communicate. And the thing I'm really proud of is the meetup. Every other week I do a learning video that is free. Not $5, not $20. It goes with your subscription. Look at all these classes we've done. There are a lot of places that charge $99 a pop, and ours are just free. Putting it all together, ARBs, ATR, trailing cross stop, just a tremendous amount of them here. And the best part about that is I have more of them coming. I'm doing a whole thing on train your brain, learning, feeling, trading. I've already done one on wiggling, not on twerking, on wiggling. Using correlation techniques was last January 18th. And next week is the power of pre-market activity. I love watching pre-market activity. A lot of times you can make your entire day by just trading the pre-market. So I hope everybody's enjoyed these videos. Have a good night, and I will be back with you tomorrow. I hope you can take advantage of our $7 30-day trial. Have a great night.